name is Russ Garfin. I'm the product manager for Class Bs and Compact Cs at Winnebago Industries, and today I'm here to talk to you about our 2019 Pure 3 Travato. The Travato really is for people that are active, people that are moving around a lot, people that are nearing retirement or in retirement. We also have, quite a few young people that are working from the road that are in the Travato. One thing in common is that they like the freedom of being able to go basically wherever they want, whenever they want, which the van allows more than a larger motorhome where you're a little bit more conspicuous, and also you have to be a little bit more careful about where you're driving. The 19 has quite a few new features and improvements over the 18. We've changed the interiors. We have two beautiful new interiors, Macchiato and Noche, which are both completely different than what we had in prior years. We added storage in the back of the wardrobe. We also added some storage under the beds, which is new this year. We have leather seats available this year. We have new blackout screens for the cab. You don't have to find a place to store those, so you get full privacy at night. We added the acrylic windows as an option, because they're very well insulated and people like that additional insulation value. Another thing that people like about those windows is that they're an awning-style, so you can use them in the rain, open them up, and still have ventilation. Really excited to have a lithium system now that of the quality that we have out in the marketplace. It's a very powerful system. It's charged off of the engine or by being plugged into shore power. We really focused on the usability of the system. We wanted our customers just to go in and have one button to push. It's just walk in the door. It's right inside the door. You push the button. When it's on, it turns green, and you know it's on, and that's all you have to do. It is really luxurious to have the Pure 3 Travato.